I was at a friend's house and I noticed he had a couple of typewriters. So I asked him, is it okay if I type my wife a love letter? Granted, I haven't used a typewriter in many moons. The last time I used a typewriter was when I was a child and my mom had an old school typewriter in the house. Even then, I think I did a couple of things on it, but nothing too crazy. I was always outside running around and doing little kid stuff. As you can see, I had issues with the paper, the actual machine itself. It's actually funny trying to use a typewriter when you're used to all this technology. I challenge everyone who's listening to this message to go out and do something that reminds you of your childhood, to get back into that happy place that you haven't seen probably in a long time. It's all about balance. Stay humble, stay grounded, and keep it a buck. Cowboy Composer, signing off.